Abonnez-vous massivement à la chaîne Lisa pour English Club TV. Alors, leçon à mission est le titre est What are these? La fois passée tout le temps dit what this. Tout le monde a dit what this. It's a ring. What this? It's a finger. What this? It's a tablet. Donc oyonini est a tablette. Oyonini est a musapi. Alors le lot comment poser question dans la pluriel. What are these? What are these? Alors, tu réponds soit what are these? These are, mais ils sont plus important, ils allaient une confusion. Pour nous, tout le monde a what this. Si on a par exemple what this. No, but this is a tablet. Mais ce qui m'a posé musique, n'a posé question. What this? Mon toit n'a pas tendance à dire this is. Il y a un an la yébisa qui l'autre fois que ils sont nécessaire, ils sont mieux que le it. Pour it, ils ont la question il y a et là ils ont la peine de tout musique. Now, si quoi what are these? Et ça pour nous retourner biloko mi balé. Ce qui peut être biloko net ba tablette on a ça na mi balé. Ingénieur Dieu merci azana po saïba. Que ba benga ngoni nangle ou bien ezanini. A retourner nga what are these? What are these? Ngana rebisa they are. Non pas ça these are mais they are c'est mieux, ça facilite la conversation. They are tablets. Au moni, tout le qui pluriel de noms pour n'a pas battre parce que tu as une leçon de rejoindre et il faut y pluriel avant de pratiquer les leçon. Tu as assimilé yango. OK. So tu une question. What are these? They are cars. Cars donc eza mituka. What are these? They are maps. Map is a carte géographique. They are maps is a carte géographique. What are these? What are these? They are umbrellas. They are umbrellas. Ce sont des parapluies. Parapluies. What are these? They are oranges. They are oranges. Is about orange. What are these? They are hospitals. They are hospitals. Is about hôpitaux. Ce sont des hôpitaux. Neti muta telemi atuni amoy na dessin. Hôpital ya Motomboli Kembe na clinique Diamant. Autuna, what are these? They are hospitals. Hospitals. What are these? They are universities. They are universities. What are these? They are chairs. They are chairs. What are these? They are waste baskets. They are waste baskets. Ils allaient ba corbeille à ordures, ba poubelle. What are these? They are boards. Ndeti tableau boy. Tobe ngo board. So les amis balé tolobi boards. What are these? They are tables. They are tables. What are these? They are notebooks. They are notebooks. Ce sont des cahiers. What are these? They are laptops. They are laptops. What are these? They are sunglasses. They are sunglasses, lunettes anti-solaires. Laptops, to be laptop. What are these? They are caps. Caps, tasses. Une tasse en anglais est cap, en pluriel caps. What are these? They are watches. They are watches. What are these? Watches is a montre o yamaboko. What are these? They are clocks. Clocks is ali horloge ou is un mur. They are clocks. What are these? They are bottles. Bottles. Mulangi. A bottle is a mulangi moko. Bottle. Bottle. Na pluriel bottles. Bottles. A bottle of Nkoi. A bottle of Zododo. A bottle of Wika. Donc mulangi ya Wika. A bottle. What are these? They are book bags. Ils ont un sac de livres, sac auto, même rapport, même un livre en émission. They are book bags. What are these? They are dictionaries. They are dictionaries. Dictionnaire, dictionaries. So ils ont pluriel. They are dictionaries. Okay. Totangili susu. Batuni biso question moko. What are these? Répète après moi. They are cars. They are maps. They are umbrellas. They are hospitals. They are universities. They are chairs. They are waste baskets. They are waste baskets. They are boards. They are tables. They are watches. They are tables, excusez. They are notebooks. They are laptops. They are sunglasses. They are caps. They are watches. They are clocks. They are bottles. They are book bags. And they are dictionaries. Alors, ce que nous avons dit, qu'on pose question en anglais pour nous voir combo et loco. Na singulier par exemple. Na singulier par exemple. Toza, au moni par exemple ordinateur, bah tu ordinateur wana. Au lingo ba ordinateur en anglais ezanini. Au retour na question oyo. What this called in English? What this called in English? Par exemple, tu as tablette boy. What this called in English? All about what this parce que ozomona yango. What this called in English? Et puis on a all about it's called, it is. Et on a kati it's called a tablet. So you pesa ordinateur lo yo en anglais. Otuni what this called in English? Nakoloba it's called a computer. Nabandeli what is a what is. What's this called in English? What's this called in English? It's called a computer. It's called a tablet. Na pluriel tokoloba. What are these called in English? What are these called in English? What are these called in English? Réponse Gozala, they are called tablets. Si j'ai deux tablettes, ceux qui n'ont pas de tablette, what are these called in English? Nagoloba, they are called tablets. Donc, tobengaka biloko yo nini en anglais? Tobengaka yango ba tablette. Na singulier tolobi, oloba, what this called in English? Et loko en anglais, comme on a mon nini nde toloba, it's called, e bengami na kombo ya. What are these called in English? Biloko yo tobengaka ngo ndenge en anglais. Tobengaka yango bla bla bla. Tobengaka yango boy. Alors, tanga lisusu nanga, te reposer question au mona ndenge ba image ezo la balancer pour envoyer ba maps ezani ni peut-être comprendre te au mona on a image. Alors, on a tuni binosko question, to batuni biso question. What are these? To répéter lisusu. They are cars. They are umbrellas. They are oranges. They are hospitals. They are universities. They are chairs. Alors, merci beaucoup pour l'attention particulière au PC dans la leçon en anglais. Alors que vous savez tout le début, fina signe wana yangonga pote oza chance ya kotala lisusu ba leçon na biso pote soki kaka leçon siki koti okomona ngo directement. En plus aimer chaîne na biso pote yo yebi ezali eloko ya bana Congo sunga mwana Congo yo ozali mwana Congo partout ezwami yo. Merci à nos prochains numéros. Goodbye, au revoir.
Ou eza anglais moko bazo l'accepter na ndenga lingala pour comprendre facilement. Belé bozo déplacer bozo ke na mboka ba paya ou eza na monoko anglais bozo na et compréhension na likambo ba ko biso ya pete o comprendre anglais te ba tindi ko mulai pona ba schéma ko sama ko ba monoko anglais za pete ça simple langue ko banga ngote bokota na club isa English TV bango ba laksa ka penda na ndenge ke muto azana matière ko banda 01 o ka penda how are you kisuka